A for apple. B for banana. C for cherries. D for dragon fruit. E for eggplant. F for fig. G for grapes. H for honeydew. I for iceberg lettuce. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for pineapples. Q for queens. R for radish. S for strawberries. T for turnip. U for ugly fruit. V for Vidalia onion. W for watermelon. X for Zimenia. Y for yam. Z for zucchini.